Good evening, friends. We are here with the third video in the English. Professional commitment. Professional, it will be containing. Here the concept of professional commitment comprises the following areas. 1. Professional status, organization and relations. Second, the role and duties of teachers. Third, preparation and training of teachers. Fourth, placement of teachers. Fifth, teachers' pay scales and responsibilities. Sixth, teaching techniques. Class management. Seventh, teachers' responsibility and its fulfillment. For example, if you get success in the B.Ed entrance examination, then you consider the main aim of joining the teaching profession as A. It is a very simple vocation like repetitive exercise when you once in life work hard and take rest throughout life. B. It is the profession which promotes the learning of the students through recitation and teachers' responsibility is to listen it. C. It is a serious profession where teachers have the great responsibility of student development. D. It is a very difficult profession which continually adhere to promote the students' growth and development. The answer is C. Question number 1. In service, teacher education refers to A. Student or practice teaching. B. Teaching in the armed services. C. Private teaching or tutoring. On the job study after entrance into the profession. Answer is D. Question number 2. In which of the following qualitative changes have been witnessed through in-service education? A. Intellectual dimensions. B. Social areas. C. In class controlling techniques. D. In developing command over the subject matter. Answer is B. Question number 3. The best statement concerning democratic education is that A. Children must be taught democracy. B. Children need to practice democracy. C. Children must be told that democracy is best. D. Children should not be taught the shortcomings of democracy. The answer is B. Children need to practice democracy. That is the only way which will give rise to democratic education. Question number 4. Probably the most important thing for the beginning teacher to do on the opening day of class is to A. Work out all the administrative details in advance so as to get off to a good start. B. Show the students that discipline will be enforced. C. Present an interesting preview of the work of the year. D. Get students acquainted with each other and with desirable social procedure. The answer is 4. D. Question number 5. When a controversial issue arises unexpectedly in class current events, the teacher should A. Politely switch the discussion to other topic. B. Present the accepted view on the problem and have the class return to the previous discussion topic. C. Explore the main issue of the problem with the students and schedule a later discussion of the topic. D. Postpone any comment until clearance for the discussion has been obtained from the principal. The answer is A. Politely switch the discussion to other topic. Question number 6. Learning takes place best when A. Teachers lecture and test learning at frequent intervals. B. Children receive passively the cultural patterns of their civilization. C. Children actively meet cultural and educational problems in everyday life. D. Pupils are called upon to recite after preparing daily textbook assignments. The answer is C. Question number 7. If a teacher makes a mistake in the class, he should A. Admit it. B. Offer an alibi. C. Forget it. D. Ignore it. The answer is A. Admit it. Question number 8. The amount and type of homework to be assigned by the teacher should be determined by A. Vote of pupils and parents. B. The difficulty of the subjects. C. The contribution which the homework can make to desired learning. D. The length of class period. The answer is C. Homework assignment which are long and difficult usually. A. Stimulate discussion and encourage better work. B. Discourage pupils and cause disciplinary problems. C. Motivate the teacher and pupils to work harder. D. Eliminate disciplinary problems by keeping pupils out of mischief. The answer is B. Discourage pupils and cause disciplinary problems. Question number 10. The modern school emphasizes A. Formal recitation. B. Mental discipline. C. Accumulation of knowledge. D. Problem solving situations. The answer is B. Mental discipline. Question number 11. It is generally agreed that a teacher should A. Maintain professional dignity at all times. B. Have intelligence and a keen sense of humor. C. Try to make students to think that they are important. D. All the above answers. The answer is D. All the above answers. Question number 12. In his relationships with pupils, a teacher should be A. Stern and unapproachable. B. Free and easy. C. Friendly and dignified. D. Sarcastic and critical. The answer is C. Question number 13. Recruitment of teachers should be directed towards A. Getting into profession everybody who has an interest. B. Reducing the shortage of the teachers. C. Getting the best possible teaching material into the profession. D. Increasing the size of the profession. The answer is C. Getting the best possible teaching material into the profession. The generally accepted minimum requirement for high school teaching is A. 4 years of preparation in an accredited college. B. 5 years of preparation in an accredited college. C. 3 years of preparation in accredited college. D. Equal to college teachers. The answer is A. 4 years of preparation in an accredited college. Question number 15. Students who expect the teachers need to include in their preparation definite training in mental health principle because it A. will help them to understand the school community. B. will be one of the subjects which they will teach. C. will help them to understand a problem they may have. D. is one of the requirements for certification. The answer is C. will help them to understand a problem they might have. That was all for professional commitment. The next video will be on interpersonal relations. If you feel like we have helped, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Good evening. Before I leave, I would like to say that please share and subscribe because our channel is not being subscribed enough, despite we are trying our best. Good night. Thank you.